Alright, in your favorite spot again, guys. The laundry. Yep, the laundry at Dollar General. Because we got some new items. And you know you want to know. Because, boy, did they look interesting. So come on in, like and share the video on your way. And show the video all the love. You know. Let the video play all the way to the end, please. And thank you. It's so important, including those ads. Leave a comment. Let me know what you think about all these new items. Greatly appreciated. And like and share the video. Again, so appreciated. If you do all those things for me, they're absolutely free to you, and it helps us out so much. So thank you. And of course, if you haven't subscribed yet, you don't want to miss a field trip to the store. So go ahead and subscribe. Do it now, and that way you won't forget and you won't miss a thing. Alright. And if you don't have these items on your shelf yet, they're coming. They'll be there. So, come on in and let's have a look at what we got. It is Saturday. I'm doing my 5 off 25. It's after 7 o'clock. And to look what I came across. Look at all this new stuff, new scents. Unstoppable's Paradise. Unstoppable's Fusion. Twilight and Jasmine. Oh my goodness. Okay, and this one is Daybreak and Clean. That one's interesting. And this one is Sunset Citrus. I like that one too. Boy, they're all good. And this one is Peony. And it smells like a peony, guys. And then we have Toasted Vanilla. That's my least favorite, is the Toasted Vanilla. But look, we've got another scent of the Tango Pina Pumilia. It looks like it's plum and pineapple. That's pineapple, guys. That's good. And then we got the strawberry and shea in the Tango. Both of these are really good new scents. So, looking forward to that. Now, as I said, it is Saturday, and normally I would be taking advantage of the Coke deal. But what I'm going to do today is I'm going to earn me some money, and then I'm going to come back tomorrow and get the Coke products when the $2 coupon kicks in. So, how am I going to do that? Well, I'm picking up the Barney. There's a $3 earn on that. I'm picking up these Snuggles. There's $2 earns on this. So that's $7 in earns that I will get back. And that's going to go towards my Diet Coke tomorrow. I'm also picking up the Snuggle for $1.25 off. I'm picking up a bag of 1 cat food because we've got a $2 off. And I'm also taking advantage of the Tidy Cat's $2 off coupon. So, there's my transaction for Saturday. Earlier, we papered out. We got a paper transaction. And that was a pretty good transaction in itself. And I think we might add one more item to this. We might splurge and go get some ice cream, guys. Yep. Now, okay, if you're seeing this video early enough, Saturday night before the stores close, and you still have a 5 off 25, we actually have, I think, I'm pretty sure, a buy one get one free Lay's potato chip deal. Okay, so that might be something good to go pick up. I'm gonna go scan and see if that comes up. So I opted to get me some Klondike ice cream sandwiches. I think we have a 50-cent earn for that. So a little something for myself. And those chips are buy 2, get 2 free. It's the Tostitos, the Cheetos, and the Fritos. So if you haven't got those and you still got a 5 off 25 and you want to stock up, well, now would be the time. Because, listen. Okay. 4 of those is $20. So you're going to buy 4, you're going to get 4 for free. So you've got 8, you're at $20. That's a sale. You need $5 more. And you could pick up several things. You could do a spend 9 deal for the Nabisco and get some cookies to go with those chips. You could pick up a brownie and earn that $3. And actually, I think that would be my suggestion. So out of pocket, you will be spending $20 because you will be at $25. You're going to get 8 bags of chips and the brownie for $20. And then you're going to get a $3 bag. So for $17, you're going to get 8 bags of chips and the brownie. Saving $20 on the chips because we're doing it twice. I wish I could eat that many chips, you know, or had a purpose just to do that deal, but I don't. So if you need those chips, go do that deal, guys. Alright, we're headed out of the store with what I got in my buggy. And thank you for coming with me. And if you are new and you're just seeing our little tour here, well, this gives you an idea of what we do every day. I'll see you, and I'll let you know my total. Okay, I'm in the car, and I wanted to go over my receipt real quick with you, because it looks like it's a lot. I did not, if I wanted to stick within my couponing guidelines, I didn't need the Klondike bars, okay? To make the 25, I already had it, but I picked up the Klondike bars. That put me over. So, we were at the Snuggle, the Klondike bars, the cat food, which was almost $10, by the way, and the kitty litter, and both Snuggles, and the brownie. And this is what I've got coming off. I got $2 off on the cat litter, making that $3 and change. Oh, excuse me. $2 off on the cat litter, making that $5. Where is it at? Yeah, it's on sale for $7.95, and it makes that $5.95 for the cat litter. And then for the cat food, it's going to make that $7.25 for the cat food. And then off the Snuggle liquid, $1.25, and my 5 off 25. But then I'm going to get $3 back in earns for my paper towels, and $4 back in earns for both of my Snuggles. That is a total of $7 back in earns. And my taxes was like $2 and change, so I'm right at $27 before taxes. So with $7 coming off, we're at $20. So for $20, I got cat food and cat litter, and normally that would be pretty much $20. So everything else, well, gravy, guys. So there you go. And I mean, we could have done a cheap deal on cheaper items, but these are items that I actually needed. And just like some of you, you probably actually need cat litter, cat food for the week. Always need paper towels. And when the Snuggle is cheap enough, I always need the Snuggle, and it was cheap enough this time. So these are things that I'd actually need, and altogether my savings was $12 today. $7 added to that is $19 was my savings today. And again, that makes for a winner-winner deal. So blessings, and I'll see you again next video, because you know you want to know.